Hi there. In this video, we will learn about CSS pseudo class, read write and read only. So, the read write and read only selectors are two mutability pseudo classes aiming at making form styling easier based on disabled, read only and content editable HTML attributes. So, the browser support is not that bad, but it is depends on the implementation. According to the official CSS specification, a read-write selector will match an element when it is either an input which has read-only nor disabled attributes. It is a text area which has neither read-only nor disabled attributes, and it is any other editable content or editable element. Okay, so the syntax will be like read only and your CSS. Okay, so this will select any element that is not writable. So you might want to read and write this syntax like input read only and text area read only and content editable is the attribute. Okay, and this is also read only. Then you can write down cursor is equal to not allowed. Okay, so you can also write down like read write and background red. Okay, so let's talk about browser support. It is supported by Chrome, Firefox, Edge and Safari for both mobile and desktop. Internet Explorer is not supporting this property. And there is a major difference between what is recommended in the specification and what the browser actually do. So you have to keep this point in your mind. Okay. For example, if we stick to the specification, every element which is user editable but disabled or simply not user editable should be targeted by read only selector. Okay. Meanwhile, only Firefox seems to do so. And not too well either since it considered a disabled input as read write. Okay, so let's see with a practical example. Let me remove this CSS so we can test it out. For example, we have one input, okay, with some class or you can say type is equal to text, simple input text, value is equal to regular input. Okay, and let's close it out. One BR, this is regular input. Okay, let's add another input and you can add type is equal to text. Okay, here we can add value as disabled input and this is disabled attribute. Let's again add one BR tag. So this is disabled. Okay, next we can say input type is equal to text, value is equal to read only input and make it as read only. So this is read only. You can't insert any value. And let's take another t tag. Okay, and content editable is equal to true. Content table. Okay, this is paragraph, and you can say regular paragraph. This is regular paragraph. Let me add PR text. Okay. As you can see, you can enter any contents because it is editable. So there are three input: type is equal to text elements, and one is paragraph and one is regular paragraph. Let's go to our CSS. Okay. To make it common, let's give one class name is equal to test and give this class to all the inputs. Okay, so we can target those classes. Okay, so in CSS, let's write down test is a class and read only, give it background to tomato, for example. As you can see, it will target these elements. This is disabled, and that's why it is targeted by read only. The next one is this one, and this is read only. This is disabled. This is also working fine, and the next one is regular paragraph because it is a paragraph that is not editable. Content editable is false. So this is also targeted. So this is fine. The next one dot paste and read write. Okay, let's give background to light gray, for example, and let's see. It's applying here because this is read write. The user can read and write. Okay, and this. But here, as you can see, this read write background color is also applying. Okay, let's give red so we can see the difference. Yeah, this is also working fine. So I think now this is clear when to use read write property and when to use write only pseudo class in CSS. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and keep supporting. That's all for this video. See you next time around. Thank you.